What if the reason your life feels heavy is because you've been walking in darkness too long? What if fear, confusion, depression, addiction, and pain are not just problems, but signs that your light is fading? Listen carefully. Darkness does not fight darkness. Only light can remove darkness. And today, God sent this message to remind you. You were not created to live defeated. You were created to shine. In the Bible, Jesus said, "I am the light of the world. Whoever follows me will never walk in darkness." That means when Jesus enters your life, confusion must leave. Fear must leave. Hidden chains must break. Because light changes everything. Think about this. When you enter a dark room, you don't fight darkness with your hands. You simply turn on the light. Some people are trying to fight spiritual battles without the presence of God. They depend only on money, people, emotions, or social media to heal their soul. But empty things can never fill an empty spirit. The enemy wants you distracted. He wants your prayer life weak. He wants your heart cold. Because a person without spiritual light becomes easy to control. But today, God is calling you back. Back to prayer. Back to faith. Back to His Word. The light of God exposes what is hidden. It reveals purpose. It heals broken hearts. It gives strength when life becomes unbearable. Maybe people abandoned you. Maybe you cried secretly. Maybe you feel forgotten. But hear this clearly. God still sees you. God still loves you. And your story is not over. The same God who brought light into the world can bring light into your situation. Your family can change. Your mind can heal. Your future can rise again. But you must stop running from the light. Somebody listening right now, you are tired. Tired of pretending. Tired of fighting silent battles. Tired of smiling while breaking inside. But tonight, Jesus is standing at the door of your heart saying, "Let me in." Not religion. Not performance. Relationship. Because one moment in God's presence can change a life forever. The darkness around you may be strong, but the light inside Christ is stronger. If you believe God is speaking to you right now, don't scroll away from this moment. Type, "Jesus, shine your light on me." Share this message with someone going through darkness, and follow for more powerful sermons that strengthen your faith. Remember this, the world becomes brighter when one person chooses to walk in God's light.